Well, I guess I'm recording. So, we'll try it again. I guess I'll have to go through this whole thing again. So, let's try it. Mysterious group of asteroids tracked with NASA's NEOWISE. And this is a Science World Report. This is basically August 7th, August 8th. But there it is. NASA is now revealing to the world at large that there are asteroids around Mars and Jupiter. So they're tracking a group of asteroids with NEOWISE. They spotted a family of space rocks near the asteroid-rich abyss. Wonderful. What is going on here? Come on now. One moment, folks. We're having technical difficulties. All these garbage ads are coming up. Alright, let's try this again. NASA's tracking a mysterious group of asteroid gas with NEOWISE. They spotted a family of space rocks near the asteroid-rich abyss between Mars and Jupiter in order to learn a bit more about them. The asteroids are distributed at the outer edge of the asteroid belt and are called the Euphrosynes. They have an unusual orbital path that just well above the ecliptic, the equator of the solar system. The asteroid after which they are named, Euphrosyne, is about 156 miles across and is one of the 10 largest asteroids in the main belt. Current day Euphrosyne is thought to be a remnant of a massive collision about 700 million years ago that formed the family of smaller asteroids bearing its name. Well, I'm not quite so sure about that. 700 million years is a lot of years. In this latest study, the researchers used the Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, NEOWISE, to look at the unusual asteroids to learn more about near-Earth objects. Hang on one second. Once again, we've got garbage coming up here and ads that I do not want to see. Alright, let's try it again. So what did they find? The researchers believe the Euphrosyne may be the source of some of the dark neos found in highly inclined orbits. Through gravitational interactions with Saturn, Euphrosyne asteroids can evolve into neos over timescales of millions of years. The Euphrosynes have a general renaissance with the orbit of the Sun that moves these objects, eventually turning some of them into neos, said Joseph Mazaril, JPL's lead scientist. In a news release, this particular gravitational renaissance leads to push some of the larger fragments of the Euphrosyne family into near-Earth space. By studying the Euphrosyne family asteroids, the researchers have been able to measure their sizes and the amount of solar energy they reflect. The researchers found that they are good candidates from the sum of dark neos that otherwise the NEOWISE telescope detects. Findings are important in better understanding neos and could help researchers track these objects better in the future. There are more websites that have more information on these. Let me increase this so you can see it a little bit better. But try to get over the ads because I mean it's just junk. But at any rate, as you can see, there's a picture of the asteroids. Here's a picture of the, let me see if I can get rid of this ad. Okay. And here's a picture of the text. So let's close the ad. I don't know, yeah, right. I have nothing to do with this. I don't want to watch these ads, but unfortunately I have no control over them. I tried to close it out, it won't let me close it. But the main thing is to see this. There are other pages, like I said, that depict more graphical things like possible near-Earth objects and coming this way and this, that, and the other. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and close.